Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. I'm so happy and excited you're here. My name is Jasmine. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I invite you to subscribe, and now we could go over those best deals that we're expecting for March the 17th that starts this Sunday. Well, before we get started, I want to go over quickly this spreadsheet that I do have. This is the way that I list all of my best deals, and I'm going to provide that in the description box. All you have to do is open that little box, and it's going to have a link, and it's going to take you straight to my blog, and you can just print it there. It's going to provide most of those deals that I'm mentioning on this video. You can see how much it is, and I really love this spreadsheet because it tells me by price how much I'm going to pay, and the ECB that I'm going to be receiving at the end of my total. So it is very helpful, and hope that you guys enjoy it as well. So let's just get started with those best deals. The first one I'm going to go over is Olive. This is one that's going to be a special: buy 20 and get 8 ECB, and it's buy one get 1 50% off. We're expecting coupons this Sunday on the Smart Source. That's going to deduct $4 for each, but make sure that you do read the coupons because they've been so limiting, and sometimes the wording can be specific for specific types. But if this is included, all you have to do is buy 3 of those, since one is going to be buy one get 1 50% off. So with 3, it's going to be $23. Use 3 of those coupons. That's going to deduct $4 for each. You pay $11.73. You get back AECB, making it $1.24. But also it might be a different depending on the price in your store. The next deal is for Almond Cosmetics. It's buy 10 get 4, and it's a limit of 6. If you do have this CRT, that is going to deduct 5 off 15 for Almond products. What you could do is buy 1 of the lipstick and 2 of the eyeshadow. So right there you have $21.97. I wanted to reach $20 since you do get 4 ECB for every 10 that you spend, so we should get 8. So then we could use 3 of those coupons from Smart Source to 24 and use that CRT. So from $21.97, you will pay $7.97. You get back 8 ECB, making it free. The other deal is if you do have the CRT that we all got last week. Actually, we got it on Sunday. This item is going to be on special for starting this Sunday, the 17th, but it's going to be a different price. It's going to be for 99 cents, and you will get a 74 cents ECB. So all you have to do is buy the single, make sure that it's the same one on the CRT that we got from last week. You pay 25 cents, you get back 74 cents, making it free, and 49 cents money maker. Just make sure that the CRT does match the item. Another great deal was another CRT that we also got last week. It does say Colgate Optic White. So if that CRT matches the product for this week, for this deal that starts Sunday, you just have to do is buy 1 of the Optic White for $3.99. We're expecting a coupon on the Smart Source that will deduct $2, so you can use that coupon on that CRT. It should be free, and you get back 1 ECB, making it $1.51 money maker. So that's a pretty good deal. Just make sure that it does qualify with that CRT. The next offer that we have, another free item, which is for the Covergirl Cosmetics, is buy 2 get 6. And if you just want to get a free item, you could just buy these items, which is the cheapest ones there is. There is a coupon that they received from Retail Me Not, and also there was printables. If there is any printables, I will include them in the description box, in the little box. So you have to do is open it. And if we do have any, all you have to do is select it, and it will print. It will be selected for you. So from $9.98, you'll pay $5.98. You get back 6 ECB, making it free. So far we got so many good deals going on. This one is a little bit different. This one you will not get any ECB, but I'm including it because I've been seeing in Savings Star and in Checkout 51 some offers. There's so many to choose from. Just make sure that only selected items is going to be buy 1 get 1, which includes cream or beard and skincare. So so make sure that the ones that you're selecting is included for the buy 1 get 1, and also you're going to be getting the cash back. And if you do, everything will be just $3.90 for each item, depending on the price in your store. This one is a very easy deal to do. All you have to do is buy of these gums. It could be the extra or the Eclipse gum. They have to be the single. It's a limit of 1. You will pay 99 cents, but you will get back an ECB of 99 cents, making it free. This is the easy deal. This is why I love couponing at CVS. This offer we've been seeing for so many weeks now for Garnier, but this week is a little different because it's buy 2 get 4. But if you do have any CRTs like the one you see in the picture, what you could do is buy the moisturizer and the cleanser. You pay, the total will be $15.28, but you use coupons that we got from Retail Me Not 33, deducting for the cleanser and the moisturizer. You could use that CRT. So from $15.28, it's gonna deduct $9, so you will pay $6.28. You get back 4 ECB, making it $1.14. Just make sure that if you do have that CRT, that will be a really good deal. And also just check the prices in your store, since I've been seeing they do vary by store. This one is also an easy deal to do. You don't have to cut any coupons. This coupon is going to be available in the CVS app. So you could buy the Scope 1 liter mouthwash for $4.79. Select that coupon in the CVS app. Make sure that it's selected and it's linked to your account. So you will pay $3.79. You get back 3 ECB at the end of your receipt, making it just 79 cents. But if you have any CRTs that has to do with mouthwash, that is deducting $1, then this will be a really good deal. So just look out for any good CRTs for that. This one, I saw that it was interesting because this one, we've been seeing this coupon that it says save 2 when you buy a Pepsi 12 pack, but you also need to buy a 20-ounce Pepsi Zero. So you have to make sure that that 20 ounces Pepsi Zero. So buy 2 of the 12 pack, which is going to be on special, 2 for $9. And you could buy 2 of the Pepsi Zero. I have seen it for $1.99. So you will pay $12.98, but you could use 2 of those printables, which is going to deduct $2 each. So if you want to pay in the register $8.98, make it in $2.25 for each, or just $8.98 for the 2 packs and those 20-ounce free. Next is hair, is buy 20 get 10. That's already a good deal, but we are getting some coupons on the Retail Me Not this Sunday, so hopefully we do get them. And if you do, what you could do is buy 2 the conditioner for $11.99, so that will be $23.98. Use 2 coupons, that's going to deduct $5 each, so you will pay $13.98, but you get back 10 ECB, making it $3.98, or just $1.99 each, which is a really good deal, especially for Nexxus hair products. But if you do have any CRTs like this one, I've been seeing CRTs that's deducting $2.25 of 10 hair care, or like this one deducting 4 off 18. What you could do is buy 2 of the conditioners, use 2 of those coupons if you do get them for the Retail Me Not. Use that CRT, so you will pay $9.98. You get back 10 ECB, making it free. So that's a pretty good deal. It was crazy because my mom used to love this Nexxus hair care, and she used to pay full price. So seeing this on special and just even getting it free is just, this is why I love couponing. This is another great deal. I love getting Maybelline items, and I think cosmetics are really selling some good stuff out there. This one I'm loving because it does say we're gonna be getting a mystery coupon, so, and it's buy 2 get 5, and we have some coupons. I have to check, make sure that I haven't expired. So what you could do is get the shadow and the snap mascara, use 2 of those coupons, and let's say the mystery coupon is $3. You will pay $4.78. You get back 5 ECB, making it free, and a little money maker, 22 cents to be exact, depending on the price in your store. For L'Oreal Cosmetics, it's also going to be a mystery offer. So let's say it's $3. What you could do is buy the same items, the mascara and the eyeshadow. Use coupons that we got a few weeks back, or in the app, that mystery coupon as well. So you will pay $9.28. You get back 5 ECB, making it $2.14. But I've been seeing that some people have been getting some CRTs for L'Oreal Cosmetics. So that will be a good time to see what coupons are there available for you to print or use and take advantage of those CRT. This is another great deal from Johnson Baby Items. It's buy 20 get 10, and it's a limit of 1. And if you have any CRTs for baby care, but there's some good printables, and there's also included in the CVS app. So what you could do is buy 5 of the Johnson & Johnson. I seen it for $5.79. Use 3 of those printables, use a coupon in the CVS app, and use any CRTs you may have. So from $23.16, you will pay $12.16. You get back 10 ECB, making it 72 cents each. But it will vary on the price in your store. This one is such a great deal too. It's Irish Spring Body Wash. It's buy 2 get 3, and it's a limit of 4. If you have this CRT, the deducting 2 of 6 soft soap body wash, or any other body wash, you could use it. So you could buy 2 for $7. Use 2 coupons that we received last week, deducting $1 each, so you will pay and use that CRT, so you will pay $3. You get back 3 ECB, making it free. So as you can see, there's so many great deals coming up. These are the best ones I was able to put together. I also included that in that spreadsheet that you could print. Some of those deals are printable coupons. Some are coupons that we're expecting this Sunday, and some are coupons that we already received. Other ones are very easy for you to do, or just depending on the CRTs you may have. So just keep checking to see which CRTs you do have, and I hope that these deals are very helpful. If you like it, you could give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, you could leave them in the comments section. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to share the videos, to subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you want to print that spreadsheet or any coupons, it's all going to be in that little box. You could just open it and select what you're looking for. So thank you so much for watching, and on to the next video. Bye.